Welcome to English Quiz Pro.
One, the child. The glass with a stone. A, broke. B, break. C, broken. Two, she, an important email. A, send. B, sent. C, sending. Three, a window. A, broke. B, break. C, breaking. Four, that girl under the oak tree. A, seeing. B, saw. C, see. Five, you for someone else. A, mistaken. B, a mistake. C, a mistook. Six, he. The hotel together with his beloved wife. A, run. B, ran. C, runs. Seven, he. Strawberry jam on his toast. A, spread. B, spreads. C, spreading. Eight, he. In that big pool. A, swim. B, swam. C, swimming. Nine, the train. At 12 a.m. every day. A, leaving. B, left. C, leaves. Ten, James is with a broken arm. A, drove. B, drive. C, driving. Eleven, when she. At school, it was 5 p.m. A, was. B, were. C, been. Twelve, he. His favorite novel right now. A, reads. B, reading. C, will read. Thirteen, it. to rain before I got home. A. Began. B. Begin. C. Begun. His mates let him down until he. The whistle. A. Blow. B. Blew. C. Blown. He usually. Lunch at 1400 hours. A. Cooking. C. Cooked. D. Cooks. She. Her words carefully. A. Choose. B. Chose. C. Chosen. She. Downstairs with a letter in her hand. A. Came. B. Come. C. Comes. She. Her best never to think of him. A. Do. B. Done. C. Did. He. His cup of tea. A. Drank. B. Drink. C. Drunk. I. Passed the school on my way to work. A. Drove. B. Drive. C. Driven. The family. Dinner together. A. Eat. B. Ate. C. Eaten. The snow. All day in big white flakes. A. Fall. B. Fallen. C. Fell. I. To turn off the TV before going to bed. A. Forgot. B. Forget. C. Forgotten. He. His brother and bought him a laptop. A. Forgive. B. Forgave. C. Forgiven. She entered the wagon by mistake and A. Froze. B. Freeze. C. Frozen.